Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video I'm excited to do, it is going to be an Ulta and Sephora haul. So I just placed some orders recently with both Ulta and Sephora. Have some holiday stuff in here as well that I thought I would show you. So I'm just gonna do a little haul video. Before I jump into what I picked up, I did want to say that this video is sponsored by shoptagr. So thank you so much to shoptagr for working with me. I have worked with them a few times in the past and they're a website that I really do enjoy. So I like to be able to recommend that to you. If you guys haven't heard of shoptagr, I've been using them for quite some time. What I really like them for is that they will send you out alerts when something that you have flagged goes on sale. If it's out of stock and it's come back in stock, I find those really helpful. So like I said, I've been using shoptagr for quite some time. It is actually how I purchased my new camera that I'm filming off of. It was quite a few months ago. I had eyed the Canon G7X Mark II. But of course, cameras are very expensive, but I was really looking to upgrade from my Sony a5100. I had been filming on that camera for about 2 years, really wanted to upgrade, and I flagged the Canon camera. And once it went on sale, I got an alert sent to my email and I purchased it. And so I was able to save a bunch of money actually on not even just the camera, but I actually got like a whole set too, which was very exciting for me. We also did just move into a new house in April, so I had some different items flagged, like furniture, even like our kitchen table and that sort of thing. I was flagging them on the shoptagr website so I could get alerted when they went on sale, because of course moving is already expensive enough, and then, you know, trying to like redecorate and everything for your new home can get pretty pricey. So I appreciated having some different deals on what we were buying. There's also a pair of shoes that I have flagged on shoptagr that I'm just waiting for them to come back in stock. They're from Adidas, and there's been 2 different times that I've gotten emails that they're back in stock because they just sell out so quickly. The first time I still couldn't afford them. The second time I could, but I was late reading the email, and by the time I was late. It was literally the next day, but I didn't get on it right away, and then they were sold out again. But every time I get an email from shoptagr that says an item has come back in stock, I'm like, yes, it's the Adidas shoes. It is not the Adidas shoes yet, but I am still waiting for them. Of course, I would recommend shoptagr to you guys if you have not been trying it yet. It is free to use, which is fantastic. And then you would just add the shoptagr browser extension to your computer. So anytime that you're looking at something, it's really easy to just click the button, add it to shoptagr. You can have different kind of lists broken down on there, so you can put it into a correct list. You can say if you want a notification when something it comes back in stock, if something goes on sale. So there's a lot of different ways that you can personalize it, but I definitely do recommend it. I've been able to get a lot of good things either on sale or just getting notified when something's back in stock. So definitely do want to recommend shoptagr. Again, they will be linked down below, and a big thank you to them for working with me on this haul. But if you'd like to see what I picked up from Sephora and Ulta, let me go ahead and jump into that. I'm gonna do my Ulta box first because I purchased a few more items from them. Notice all of the teeth marks, because Aries loves cardboard boxes. So whenever I get a box in, she thinks everything is for her. She gets BarkBox and also her food from Chewy. So just like whenever a cardboard box arrives, she's like, that's for me, and she will literally take it and run away. And I'm like, no, my Ulta box, come back. So that's why you see teeth marks on there. I did not try to eat my cardboard box. Okay, so first up, I got a couple holiday things from Ulta. My hauls are always like pretty small, but you know, that's okay. But I grabbed a couple holiday things, and then one, I had been really wanting to purchase a new concealer. Why, I don't know, but I've been eyeing new concealers for the longest time, and this was like forever ago. I did a poll on my Twitter, I think it was, and I said I'm eyeing, I had 3 different concealers up, and I asked which one I should grab, and the most suggested was the Milani Conceal and Perfect a Long Wear Concealer. This was $8.99. I've had so many people, even before I did that poll, recommend this one to me, so I thought that I would give it a try. I got the shade 125 Light Neutral or Natural? Light Natural. I like the applicator on it. It's like smaller than I was expecting. Okay, so I'm excited to give it a shot. Again, I don't know what it is about concealers, but I've just been really wanting to grab a new one lately. So I'm gonna try out this one from Milani and let you know what I think. I was also gonna get another Dose of Color sponge. I've been talking about the Dose of Color sponge for quite some time, and I've been saying that I was gonna pick up another one, and I've been talking, like, I don't do a lot of hauls on my channel. I don't do big hauls on my channel. I am planning to start a new series. I think the first episode is going to go up tomorrow. I am pre-filming because as you see this, I'm actually flying back from New York. I was in New York for the Ipsy live event. So I'm pre-filming right now, and I already filmed my first episode of a new series that I'm going to do called Mindset and Makeup. And the first episode I talk about a lot of things, but I talk about how I went into such an extreme financial debt once starting a YouTube channel and trying to make it successful and buy new things and all of that. So that video is going to go up tomorrow if you guys want to watch it. But since I really made a big lifestyle change of how I was buying things, I've really stopped impulse buying. I stopped doing just a lot of, just more hauls in general, but I'm gonna have a whole video about how I stopped impulse buying as well, and kind of my shopping habits now, because they've definitely changed. I've been talking about doing this Ulta haul for probably the last month or so, and again, like I did that poll on Twitter and that was a while ago, but I wait and I save up my cart and I wait and I don't just like buy type thing. So I'm excited for that series to kick off. I'm a little bit nervous about it because it's very, like, especially tomorrow's video is very deeply personal, but I hope that you guys will like it or some will find it helpful. So yeah, so like I've been mentioning, I'm gonna pick up this Dose of Color sponge, but then when I was on the Ulta website, I saw that Elcie Cosmetics now has their sponge available, and I was like, ooh, because I purchased a bunch of products from Elcie Cosmetics several months ago when they first came into Ulta Beauty because I was curious about them, and I wanted the sponge so badly because I've heard a lot of people talk about this, but they didn't have it and now they do. Even though I wanted 2 sponges, I don't know, I didn't have an Ulta coupon. It was 3 times points for platinum members, so I was glad about that, but I don't know, I just couldn't justify. I had a certain total in my mind that I wanted my Ulta cart to be at, and if I would have done both sponges it would have been over. So again, that's kind of like something I stick to. So I decided to take out one of the sponges, and I really wanted to try the Elcie one. My Dose of Color sponge is still going strong, so it didn't need to be replaced. I just wanted it back up, but I'll just grab that at another time. And I decided to get the Velvet Sponge from Elcie Cosmetics. This is $18, so it's more expensive than the Dose of Colors. The Dose of Colors is $15, but I just really wanted to try it, and look how cool it is. Ooh, fancy. It just makes me feel either fancy or it makes me feel like Maleficent for some reason. I don't know why that is, but that's what I think when I look at this sponge. So I'm definitely going to do a video where I'm trying out these products as well, so stay tuned for that. That will be coming up at some point. I'm kind of filming all over the place at the moment with this New York trip, but I'm excited to try it out. If you guys have tried the Elcie sponge, do let me know. And then I did get a few holiday things as well. So these 2 items are both kind of like slightly big deals for my channel, but I purchased an item from Tarte Cosmetics. I have not purchased from Tarte in, at least over a year. It's been a while since I purchased from Tarte. I think the last item I purchased from them was the Clay Play 2 palette, and that came out quite some time ago. I just wasn't really like feeling stuff that was going on, and also there was just nothing that really called my attention, nothing that really like was pulling me in. But this came out, and I talked about it in a Will I Buy It video. I believe it was in my holiday Will I Buy It, like my special edition. And I said that I was really feeling on it. So this is from Tarte. This is their 9 Ways to Shine Cheek Wardrobe. So inside you have 3 different compacts, and each have 3 different products inside. Usually Tarte comes out with these really big blush books that have like the 8 or 9 shades in there or whatnot, and they're just really big and kind of overwhelming and all of that. So I really liked what they were doing with these 3 separate ones, and so I don't know, I thought it was a good idea if you want them all 3 for yourself. If you want to go in with other people and you can grab, you can each take one, or you can gift one, a stocking stuffer, things like that. This was $35 for the 3. I'll be doing some close-ups of each of the different ones. I think this first one here that I'm showing you is the one that I am personally going to give away, and I think the other 2 were the ones that I was going to keep for myself. So this is definitely one that I'm keeping for myself, with the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. I just think this is really fun, and I'm getting ready. I'm filming this on Monday, but I leave for New York on Thursday. I'm probably gonna pop one of these into my bag because I just think that they're just like nice and compact, and I don't know, simple to take with you. I really like this a lot more than their blush books that they had been doing. And then this one has 2 different blushes and a highlight in here also. So these last 2 that I showed you are the ones that I'm going to keep for myself. And then I do have one that I will be gifting also. But I don't know, kind of interesting to have something from Tarte included in one of my hauls. It's been a little bit, but I'm curious. I've heard some people talking about these. I saw my friend Ashley Clady review them, and she seemed to like them as well. So I'm excited to give that a try. And then I also purchased something from Too Faced. Too Faced was a brand that I also wasn't purchasing from for a while. I have purchased from them here and there in the past. I know the first item that I bought after I kind of was taking a break from them was their natural face palette, and I really did like that. But when this holiday release came out, I kept thinking about it and I kept thinking about it, and I was trying to talk myself out of it, and I was like, you know what, you keep thinking about it. Like, you can purchase it. It's okay if you keep thinking about it. This is the Hot Buttered Rum palette. So this palette was $25. It's supposed to smell like hot buttered rum. That's interesting. And I liked that it was kind of more of this mini palette also, because you guys know I just really like mini things. I mean, with the blushes and everything, like I just like mini things. I don't know. And it is in the tin packaging, and then here is what the inside looks like, and you do get a little mirror also, and you have 8 different shades. Again, I saw Ashley review this one, and she said that she liked it as well. So I was like, you know what? I keep thinking about it. I keep thinking about it, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I like all the different shades inside. They definitely do scream me. So yeah, kind of interesting little haul over here from Ulta Beauty. But those are the different things that I picked up from Ulta, and let me show you what I got from Sephora. My Sephora box. Actually, one item I wanted to show you first, I picked up from Riley Rose, but it is available at Sephora, and I actually had it in my Sephora cart. I was just waiting until I was gonna make an order, and then I was going to grab this. But I was in Florida, and me and Shayna from Ofra went to Riley Rose, which was a really cool store. That was my first time being in one, and I saw that they had this, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab it because it's been sitting in my cart for a while now. I just haven't made a purchase yet. And this is from Kopari. This is their lip glossy. So I have gone through a full size of this, and this one is my favorite lip treatment for my AM skincare routine. I have tried items from By Beauty. I have tried out what was I trying? The Laneige lip glossy. That kind of dried out my lips. This one is just my favorite. It's a little bit thicker. It's super nourishing. It just stays on so well. It's just my favorite right now. So every morning after I do my skincare routine, I put this on my lips, and I think that it is fabulous. So the Kopari lip glossy, I just get the original. So you can get it at Sephora. I will link it down below. I did grab it from Riley Rose, but I thought I would share it with you in this haul. And then one item, I mentioned this in my Sephora, my holiday releases will I buy it video as well, and I said I was probably going to pick it up, and I sure did. This is from Laneige. This is the Kiss Me at Midnight. This has 3 of the lip sleeping masks in here, so you get a full size and then 2 minis. I am almost out of my full size. You can see the bottom of the jar, and I am just about through with it. It lasted me a very long time because last holiday season I purchased a set really similar to this. It had the full size, and I think it actually had 3 minis in there. And that is when I got my full size, and now I'm just about through with it. So it lasts a very, very long time, but I'm excited to have another one. This set was $28. The full size retails for $20. So you get the 2 minis basically at $4 each. And so I'm just really excited to have another one. So I thought this set was really cute. Laneige definitely does have a lot of different holiday sets out right now. And then one that came out after I filmed that holiday video, but once I saw it pop up on the Sephora website. I immediately posted about it on Twitter. I try to share a lot of like new releases on my Twitter too, and I was like, I'm probably gonna go ahead and grab that. This is from Olaplex. This is the Holiday Hair Fix. So this was $58. You get the number 3, okay, where is it telling me? You get the number 3 Hair Perfector, the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and the number 7 Bond Smoother. So I'm really excited to try this out. I've been wanting to grab another shampoo and conditioner. I just reviewed 2 minis from Briogeo in last week Hits and Misses follow-up, and I didn't absolutely love it. I wasn't going to go on to purchase the full sizes, so I'm excited to try these shampoos and conditioners. I also reviewed the bonding oil from Olaplex in there. Really been liking it. I've really been getting on with the brand, so I thought this would be a good way to try a few more products. Oh, look at the cute boat. That's so fun. I'm excited to try the Bond Smoother, which is a styling cream. I do have the number 3. I did purchase that separately, but I'm excited to have another one because I definitely see myself going through it. I try to use it at least once a week, and I put it in my hair before I shampoo and condition it, let it sit for a while, rinse it out, shampoo and condition my hair like normal, and my hair feels so soft. It's just really easy to manage. So I'm okay with that being something that I already do have, and then the other 3 are all new to me. So I'm really excited to have this. When I saw it, I was like, you know what? I really want to grab that. I can tell that I've definitely been kind of grabbing more hair care lately. I definitely have a lot of makeup. I do have a lot of skincare, and I've just really been trying to focus on my hair. I did get a haircut recently. I did more of a blunt cut. You can tell a lot when I straighten it. I don't have it straightened today, but we also did just like a really natural balayage treatment, if you can tell. So I've been trying to like just take better care of my hair and all of that. So definitely been purchasing more hair care products also. But after that, that's gonna wrap it up for my haul. I know my hauls are usually pretty small, but I thought I would share what I picked up from Ulta and Sephora, some of the holiday releases that caught my attention that I did pick up also. And yeah, let me know what you thought. Well, let me know what you think in the comments of everything that I picked up. Do you guys want to see me trying out some of the new makeup products in a video? I definitely can. I do always come back to review my hauls also, so after I've tried everything out, I'll come back and review everything. And yeah, thank you so much to shoptagr also for sponsoring this video and working with me. Again, like I said, I'll have that link down below. I would just definitely recommend that you check them out, especially if you're like me and you love being able to save some money and there's things that you're really eyeing and you'll want to grab. I would definitely recommend the site as well. But other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope that you also consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.